Hello lovely friends. I just thought I would pop in and see how you all are doing on this lovely Tuesday afternoon. It is the 15th of December, day 15. Oh my goodness. Do you know, it only just occurred to me that next Friday is Christmas Day. Next Friday. Like I had it in my head I had so long for some reason, but it's actually next Friday. Anyway, all shocks aside, so we had the pest man come today and he did a quote up for getting the house treated to do a termite barrier. So we don't have termites that we know of, but we're going to get a termite barrier put around the house and just a regular pest treatment as well for the creepy crawlies. I don't want any more spiders in the house, thank you very much. But the pest man's not going to be able to come around to do that until mid-January, if not early February, because they're obviously very busy at the moment. And then the other thing I did today is I popped into IKEA. I was looking for, my friend introduced me to these. They do like a gingerbread thin in a tin. And I wanted to get some, but they'd sold out. So that I didn't get any. That's a shame. I got a gingerbread house for the kids to do, which Katie did that this afternoon. It's holding together so far. Those things never quite do. But I always buy the ready-made icing, and perhaps I need to be making my own. It would probably taste better if I made my own, but oh, I don't know if I can be bothered, really. Okay, so you know how I said when the sun would come out, how it would be super, super steamy? Today is ridiculously humid. So I've had the air conditioning on all morning and I've only just now, what time is it? It is 4:20. I've only just now decided to come in here and potter around a bit. I have a quilt top here. Let me show you. I have this panel, which is really quite big, of a vintage Christmas deer. And I'm just going to pop on some borders. So the colours in it are this green and this pink. And I don't have the exact green and pink, but I do have a green and pink that I'm going to use. And I'm just going to pop some borders on it. And I thought that perhaps tonight I'll baste it and I will use this to practice some free motion quilting on. Fingers crossed I can have it finished for Sunday, because Sunday is the last Guild Sew Day of the year. And if I can have it finished for then I can take this to bind on Sunday. But it means that I'm going to have to get a wriggle on. And it's not the sewing that I had planned to do over the next few days. But isn't that always the way? How something, all of a sudden you just go, oh yeah, and change your mind? All right, so that is what I'm thinking I'm going to do right now. So I'll show you the green and pink that I've got. Okay, so you're a little bit in shadow, but that's what happens this time of day. So I've cut some pink. See, it's not quite the right pink, but I don't think it's that different that it will really matter. And I'm thinking I'm going to do a thin border of that. And then I've got this green polka dot, and I thought I would do a wider border of that. I think I have about 1 meter of this one. So I will, I don't know, maybe do like a 5-inch border. Would I have enough? Or maybe a 4-inch border. I'll have to get the old calculator out and have a think about how big. I haven't measured how big this will be once the pink is on. It's a little bit too much for my brain, so I'll just sew it on and then I'll work it out. And then I'll work out how big a border I can do of that. Or if I do a skinnier border, then I can use it for binding too. Don't know. And then I've got, up in my mound of colours here, I've got this backing just a beige backing, which I think would be good. This is nice too, but I've already got a quilt in mind for that one. So look at that. Look at that rainbow. What a mess. You know, I said I was going to clean up. Nope. It's just all in a pile. Goodness me. My shelves are a bit disheveled. But cleaning's for another day, I've decided. We're doing this instead. Okay, so I know the lighting isn't great, but I ended up basting this tonight. I'm not sure yet whether or not I will free motion because it is like really big. I might just walking foot quilt this one. And then it came with a couple of little panels for cushions, and I'm going to free motion those, I think. That way I'm going to have this one finished by Sunday to bind. I really don't think I'd get it finished otherwise. All right, friends, I think it might be time for us to do the calendar. And we're looking at number 15. 15. Oh, gosh, it's going fast. Oh, this is a heavy... Oh, there's more than one in here. This is... Oh, the smells. The smells are amazing. This is rejuvenating and rejuvenating, this one, and revitalizing. And they are hair and body bars. Only good, palm-free, milled for quality, cruelty-free, 100% natural. And in cardboard as well. So I will be taking the rose one, and Katie can take the sage, mint, and argyle. Let's just have a smell of them individually, hey? Oh, it does smell really amazing. I don't really smell the mint. But it smells amazing. Only good, what your skin really needs. Natural, clear, conscious nutrition for your skin. It's made in New Zealand. Oh, just lovely. And this one. Oh, actually, that one actually has a stronger smell than this one does. This is rose, hip, geranium, and peony natural body bar. It does smell amazing though. Oh, these were a score. We did well tonight. One for me and one for Katie. Yay! That's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. It has been so much fun once again. We got to do a little bit of impromptu sewing. I had not planned to do that today. I have been thinking I was going to do completely other sewing, which is still going to be on my list, but it was fun to do what we did today. I enjoyed it. I am going to have something to quilt now, and we have our last guild meeting on Sunday, so I'm going to save the binding for then, which is fun. I'm excited about that. But now it is time to go and edit this, so I will say goodbye, and I will see you again tomorrow.